Welcome back to Acid Hot on top Wazobia 1 UHF channel 57. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Professor, I'm going to call his name in full, Professor Nwokobia Chukudu, maybe Chris. He then inside studio and we will discuss all of the action story will happen inside Obodo, Nigeria from this weekend when pass. So, and before we rush go that break, Unkubi, you be like saying
no, not me. Don't just make and look controversial. A question I be want ask the way you don't.
Question in the eye, you want point and inside the eye. You don't know saying be visitor. This is the same thing. I don't teach you etiquette.
Our prof don't know the condition of this program.
Which condition of which program?
They hot.
It always hot. So would they even tell them before and say, "Oh, prof, we go enter you." We go enter, so just they ready. So now what did they do? Not because they do bad belly here.
But the point we say before we go that break, you don't raise the issue. But what they tell you now, they say Abubakar Audu and Faleke, when them become when Abubakar choose Faleke as a running mate, then become husband and wife. Joint ticket. Now the constitution, waiting the constitution talk, we say when they don't become husband and wife, when they don't become joint ticket, before the election, if you want to do substitution, you fit within a particular period. But when the election don't start, the law presumes, where the law does not expressly state, you get within the call doctrine of equity, or you even call them the nearness to the law. If you ask yourself, if to say they declare the election result, who therefore call governor-elect? Not be Faleke, as I would die. So the law presumes that situation will continue when there's no, see, INEC, I don't ask the question, why be say we not sabi turn around when we're wrong for this country? Because it don't reach time when people must learn, say government, now people the wrong government, and people fit make mistake. INEC not supposed to insist on this supplementary election. Now I be waiting at the talk. INEC supposed to wake up, say, oh, we make mistake on the 22nd of November when we declare that election inconclusive. Based on the facts when we get for our hand now, that election is supposed to have been declared conclusive.
But in a situation where we say, then they price some people about how many polling units? About 91. These people no vote. And you could see, as long as never they conclusive.
If you conclude
as long as never they, and as long as the figure where they on ground. And as long as the figure where they on ground, still pass the figure where Oga Abubakar Audu, the later Abubakar Audu, they pass this person.
It not pass because
about 49,000.
Of the 49,000, only 25,000 get PVC. So the 49,000 not free vote. If you conduct that election for hell, APC don't win. You conduct them for heaven, APC don't win. You conduct them for earth, APC don't win. So the election is conclusive.
So where all these
so INEC will come out, tell us, say, we make mistake and do the right thing. Then those who want go court. See, I believe, say, if we want to move this country forward, make we they follow truth. Every time, no matter how it be. Udman Danfo they talk for 1808. He said conscience is an open wound. Only truth can heal it. I believe that the time don't come for us to begin to do some things because we get tomorrow. Children, they watch us. If we begin talk, say, oh, Naigala people many pass for Kogi State, then the question is, must Jonathan come from the minorities? Must it be exceptional circumstances to make any good person supposed fit rule any state or the country if the person show sufficient passion and commitment to move the country forward or the state forward. But as we talk now, if we begin talk, say, oh, because Faleke people not many for Kogi State, or because these people many for Kogi State, then that removes from the issue. Good governance not get majority as an issue or minority as an issue. Good governance now individual credentials. The ability to govern well, now one person character, go take Duam. If Faleke say, Ingo govern Kogi well, and God don't put them for a position where, because now so God do not be human being kill Audu. Now God know, now God create, now God take. As Faleke did there now, the holder of the joint ticket when they're alive, naturally, equity presumes him as the governor-elect.
Prof, make we come from
this angle. This is what we're supposed to do. Make we not they make Oyibo and gymnastics.
Make we come from this angle. The way when he did now, it be like say, no going forward, no going backwards.
Yes.
Make I explain. Now, the leadership of the APC, the people, when some people talk say, na Abuja, then they sit down. They don't talk, say, Oga Yahaya Bello, say, na him go replace the late Prince Abubakar Audu. we get people when we say, especially from Kogi East Senatorial District, and a lot of youths, they come and talk, say, the late Prince Abubakar Audu don't invest too much for the APC for inside the state. So therefore, if they no fit get the papa, now the pikin, now they want for on top of the chair.
Monarchy.
We can't get Oga James Faleke on one side. So it be like say, even the APC amongst themselves, it be like say they are never done.
No, make I tell you, I believe, say, like I said, now this part of the world would they believe, say, people know they make mistake. If people make mistake, we go think say na sacrilege. You know, my party fit make mistake, my party fit correct them. INEC fit make mistake, INEC fit correct them. I don't believe say anything is cast in iron. What thing we supposed to do now at this level? Now for my party to say, oh, because of the facts when we get on our hand, we they insist say make INEC announce the result because the result is conclusive. And then my party will go behind, talk with the other people, the stakeholders. Eventually, when they declare the result, Faleke will become the governor, the winner of the election. Then my party will bring deputy governor. That is the correct way to go. Now, I still believe that my party can correct the error.
But
the mistake one would they make for this country, and I still insist, is that every time we go build heavy mountain for error, then things say we'll not be human beings.
To say, I am sorry.
Now, what happened during the time of Yar'Adua? Yar'Adua na human being. When he is sick, then begin hide them like saying a God. You know, God not the sick. You know, as we did in this country today, now so some people too, they make about our president. Our president, when we love well, then go make like say, Oga Buhari not go fit make mistake. But now human being, every human being is fallible. Every human being can make mistake. Now, what do we owe them? Now to help them, to the correct them, and support them, because we love Oga Presido well. We believe say it don't reach time when he go put mouth for this thing. Then our party leadership, our party chairman, a very great man, James Odigo, great man. And then the leadership of our party, great people. So I believe that the time don't come for them to sit down today, resolve these things along the line of truth. You know, you get what I write over the weekend. I call them Kogi. Knowingly, you know, when you knowingly oppose truth, oppose good, it irritate. You know, that is Kogi. Knowingly opposing good, you know, irritates. And I think that the time has come for us to begin to do it in the right, do it in the good. We supposed to support the party to do right. The party supposed to support Faleke because now be the holder of the joint ticket. You're not going to divorce the two now because the governor don't die. You pursue the wife.
In a situation where internally for the party, everybody get their own say. Exactly. Everybody get their own opinion.
Some people want Yahaya Bello.
That
Some
is
people want
for the party.
Audu.
And going by the fact, say, in the recent times, since APC don't take over leadership, you just be like now from one issue or one problem to the other. We don't see the ones that happen for Senate. We don't have change.
Not change, yes.
So what can be the defining factor for this thing? Because if everybody gets their own opinion on this, there must be a central body where we go feel say, okay, now I don't hear all of now. See where how it go be. If APC as a party not fit define now, fit stay saying like this, they won't make it be. There must be
we'll get to that. Change.
But change the whole state to ransom.
Change they come with your own hiccups. Nigeria don't they used to a particular process for so many years. Nigeria don't they tied to a particular pattern for so many years. If you want change them, you go get hiccups. Now that process the party they go through, and it's just within 6 months.
You not to say this hiccup don't return to convulsion. You not to say this hiccup don't return to convulsion. You don't return to cough.
We go cure.
Because the supplementary post na December 5th.
No, we go
if the supplementary post na December 5th, una dey wait to
cure hiccup. I don't give that say na 5th to make.
And una want cure hiccup now.
Give you the assurance say we must do supplementary.
INEC don't give date
deadline now.
Say December 5th.
So the date they cast an iron.
So long as say the date don't dey now.
The same INEC when say they don't give December 5th as supplementary election can address the country tomorrow and say,
as at
okay,
this moment,
the
date na December 5th. Prof, as at this moment, the date na December 5th.
Nothing stops the
election. Nothing don't change.
Oga Prof, we go
and the party is ready to
this
come.
argument
but
never
we get
finish.
something
It never
when I
finish.
want
But make we collect this call from Oga Udo. Oga Udo, they call us from Jibo. Good morning,
Yeah,
Udo.
hello, good morning
Good
to all
morning.
the Wazobia staff.
Good morning.
God bless you. People are really doing a very good job.
Thank
Oga
you.
Udo, thank you very much.
Yes, you see, pertaining to the issue of this country, just like the lawyers just said, I want to believe that there is a problem, and it's a fundamental problem. There's no way you can treat an issue without getting to the basic root. The problem is the Constitution. If there could be a referendum or a constitutional conference that they are sincere, then they now bring a new constitution so that all our past mistakes, they will take care of it. The constitution will take care of it. That would be better. The country will move forward. Apart from that, we are just wasting our generation, wasting time and all this. I just pray that it shouldn't get to a situation whereby there will be a revolt one day. Because a person like myself, I'm just tired of
Oga
the whole
Udo,
situation.
I beg, no tire. Just continue to dey watch as e dey hot because we
should just be watching.
watch as the program of the people we dey bring hope come back to people. Oga Udo, thank you very much for that your important contribution. Prof, you don hear wetin him get to talk. He don talk about referendum.
Chukwudi, before we
But
take,
Prof, before you
close everything.
no, but Prof, before you switch, make we take Oga Joseph. Oga Joseph dey call us from Ikoyi. After Oga Joseph, we go just take the other stories. Come back to this Kogi because this Kogi dey hot well. Oga Joseph, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Joseph.
I greet you now.
We dey greet you, Oga Joseph.
My name is Joseph from Ikoyi.
Thank you very much, Oga Joseph.
I want to contribute to this
Feel free.
election hitting hangout.
Feel free.
You see, the thing where PC they do, like, everything they for HTC hand, but I believe that they understand the policies of Kogi State. Faleke, as a running man, is from a minority. If you understand the history of Kogi State, is the Igala people that were all, ruling from the beginning. So what in APC they do, they say, if they say that they bring Adeleke, Igala people, no go accept them. That is why they don't read all these things. They don't understand all those things. They come to, okay, maybe they bring another Igala man for them to be able to win the election.
Okay.
Now, waiting here, I understand that.
Okay.
So if you understand all those things, if they bring Adeleke out now from minority in Kogi State, they will know win that state again. Considering that all the places that they want to do the supplementary election are in Igala land. You will see at the end of the day, being that 49,000 people that remain to vote, all of them will now come back to support WADA. APC understand all those things. That is why they say, okay, let us bring somebody from majority, people, so that they can be able to win the election.
Oga Joseph, thank you very much for that your important contribution.
Thank you very
but
much
our prof bin don answer the question when he talk say for the area when they wan conduct the supplementary polls, say the 49,000 people wey INEC talk say e remain, na 25,000 people na im dey registered and na only 15,000 don collect their PVCs.
Only 15,000 votes.
Exactly.
15,700 votes, 9 days in issue. So
Prof,
no matter how they conduct the election,
e no fit happen.
PDP not
From
fit
Ikoyi, we go enter Lekki, collect this call from Oga Yusuf. Oga Yusuf, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Raise your voice.
Up.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Yusuf.
Yeah, how's your weekend?
Thank God. I bet Chukma for this matter so.
Okay. What I want to be saying, in Nigeria, we never mature in democracy. We are still plastic democracy. So how can we say this one come from minority, cannot rule country, or it cannot rule state? It cannot be possible now because inside the minority, there's a good people there. Where they have sympathy of human being where they can rule country. Because this country could be better, or our state could be better. How can we say because of this one from minority cannot rule? If you are doing like that, the majority people they take advantage of us all the time. You understand? So we have to try to mature on the democracy in Nigeria. It don't be like we are still plastic. You understand? Let them leave Faleke to be a governor. That's all.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Yusuf.
And then no, one thing I want to talk.
Okay, quickly.
About the money that they collect from Abacha, what you say. What thing I see them be say na thief, na collect money from thief. So na thief collect money from thief, so thief don't carry and go. So maybe pray to God, maybe see how the thing.
Oga Yusuf, thank you very much for that your important contribution. But that one when you use talk say thief collect money from thief, we no go just even though na your opinion, but
Prof,
we no go accept that.
One more caller.
Oga Igo, they call us all the way from Abuja, Prof. Immediately after Oga Igo, we go just allow you time to react to all the stories, then come back to Kogi. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Oga Shukudi, the man with the way they speak the truth, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
The controversial COVID,
I greet you, Oga Igo, I know.
The prof, I greet you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Onto the matter of today, to me, the prof, the way they address this issue, they address this issue, like Nigeria, this Kogi issue like Nigeria. You are addressing this issue like you are an APC person. You are addressing the issue in the perspective of the APC. Okay, let me explain. You will see now, the election, if Mr. A, the APC member and the APC candidate when he died, he contested for a primary when he say he win. But the deputy no contest, they pick and join. Like you say, if they pick and join, you will become husband and wife, say they will go together. Good. The second thing I prove you now, if Mr. A is Philip, when you say they contest and they bear Philip for APC, he can't die. Then Mr. B called a bear wisdom. Say now he go replace him. Okay, now if Mr. A now for the card reader, what they go replace now Phillips go there for the person don't die. Then now the person you won't come take her as a result someone now wisdom. So you won't count the wisdom vote now for Philip. Now wisdom then I go straight to Philip. Make you explain that for me. The wisdom name now go straight to Philip. You want maybe the remaining vote if Mr. Kong win the remaining election. You want to say when you want to say Philip. Then the next one you say wisdom. How you go take count that vote? You explain them.
Okay, Igo, thank you very, very much for that contribution.
Very easy question Igo asks. You know why they easy? Because even the Supreme Court don't rule say for election, now the party they go election. That's point number one. So that is why if you look for the voters platform, the ballot paper, you go see say no person name there inside. Now party logo there. You know, so the votes now for the party. And then the candidates now Audu and Faleke. Okay? Now the two joint ticket. So one don't die, the other one still there alive. You not go fit say make you substitute, because the truth is that the party knows what to do. And I believe say the time don't reach for the party to correct this error. My own interest now be say I beg INEC to wake up and make the world see say will not be country of perfectionists. We're human beings like every other people. You know, if you remember during the American election when Al Gore and Bush contest, the Florida polls, you know, they call them butterfly ballots. The same electoral body in America came out to say, oh, we did sorry for these butterfly ballots. We're not going to use them again. So that people will go use ballot paper when people go understand. You know, every system gets its own error. If you get error, you correct them. That's point number one. Then are they interested about this Abacha loot? You go allow me talk about
no, but Prof, we go talk about the Abacha loot. When we rush, go this break, come back. When we go this break, come back, no more calls, so that you go use your professor sense. Take all of the whole stories, make we know say we really enjoy this your visit. We go this break, come back. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia 1 UHF Channel 57. Hezugu Chukudi Unkubi and Professor Umokobia Chukudu maybe Chris, the inside studio. And they discuss all of the action to what happened over the weekend. Prof, I saw this, I cut the talk for your mouth, but feel free now, maybe just the flow now because we don't put full stop on top of our phone lines.
You see what concern me about this Abacha money? Initially, it get one time when they tell us saying about 2 billion. They don't recover from Abacha. Then again, we come to hear now say Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala talks in $500 million, not be $2 billion again. That's not point number one. Then point number two, we say you put down for budget for 2004 and 2005.
Budget, yeah.
Say you put them for budget. And then you put them for budget, our money. You're not going to tell us. Because you get what they do for this country. And I think that the time has come for the Nigerian people to wake up to that reality. Instead of supporting everything when government do, you go ask question. The point we say, until we wake up from, say, not be APC problem or PDP problem, but our problem as a nation, what people do with our money should concern us. Until we do that, our country not going to move forward. Because every time when you hear debate for social media, for TV, everywhere, people go say, and a PDP, then go say, na APC, you know. But the point we say, what thing happen for this country affect me and you, affect our children. And so our children don't know whether they will be APC when they go look for job. They don't know whether a PDP person get the company. Then believe in a work, then they look for. You know, why it take this long for money when you say you spend for 2004, 2005? Now, in 2015, you not tell us what you take the money do. And you get one caller when talk say, it be like say thief don't thief the money. Me, I don't know whether and so it don't happen. No. But the truth be say, it don't reach time for us to know say this country in our own. And then those when God don't put for position of authority must realize say the essence of life now to make things good for the people. Now be the social contract. If you not do them like that, then future generation go hold you responsible for everything when you do. And that is why, as you observe them now, the Abacha family be like say people they cost them. And then those when just come out for power, when misuse our money, then they cost them. What do you do? What do you sow? Now you they reap.
Exactly.
And now be the justice of God.
Exactly.
So, Prof, quickly, make we also enter into waiting the governor of Osho State talk.
Very important.
Yes,
I don't
the
talk
diversification
since
and all
say this one when states they come to the federal government like beggars. You know, the beggarly appendage of states with the federal government. It's not good. When we started this country, our first republic between 1960 and 1966 was very successful. Even before then, you remember, say, this television for Africa. We first get them for Ibadan. Before even France get television. You know, before France got television. You know, and now the effort of what they call devolution of power and resource control, you know, through fiscal federalism. Until we return to that situation, you know, the cocoa fields not going to return. Until we return to that, the pyramids of granite not going to return. You know, every state wants to be sure that if they go farm, in money, it go keep them, pay certain money to the federal government. But if you say federal government ain't get everything for this country, no state's not going to work hard. Now everybody they beg. That is why Ralph Aregbesola they talk say, if state continue like this, they're not going to fit pay salary. They're not going to fit survive. You know, as it talk, you know, they say now only about 56 million remain for the money when they get last month. Because the banks take their money and everybody they complain. You know, how you going to take pay salary? So the time don't reach for those when they sit down for National Assembly. Not be to they collect big money. You have to work on this constitution.
Exactly.
To ensure that every state they control its resources. Pay certain amount to the federal government as tax or emolument. If states they control their resources, you go see say every state go back to farm. God don't bless us so much for this country that we not get anything to do with poverty. But because states they do like overpetted babies, at the end of the month they go Abuja go collect money instead of creating their own money. And Nkubi, every part of this country can generate so much resources
but
to
then,
pay salary
Prof, quickly,
and develop
make I ask this based on what you just talked about. Okay, if every state get access to say they want to run their own resources, or perhaps they want probably discover something where they very unique for their own state, and maybe for instance the coal issue, the coal mining issue where they Enugu, you don't mention the cocoa this thing for exactly, and the granite pyramid. These are something we say under that era na federal. But then, it say federal will give that access. Okay, go ahead. Because you have to say, then they wait, say they wait for federal to give them that approval before they go say they want to try invest on all these things.
Our constitution talks say everything belongs to federal government. And nowhere federal...
Sure, they tie their hand with that.
You follow now. Now, why I say the National Assembly must wake up. Since
also look into
the law and ensure that... And then even for this fuel scarcity, when PIB, now another problem. When those don't get refinery license, not fit come build refineries.
Exactly.
Because the law when enable the refinery, they say they're not going to make profit. The National Assembly must wake up to save the situation now.
True.
not the politics be everything. The law must allow the states to thrive and thrive as partners in progress with the federal government, not as slaves or beggars to the federal government.
Exactly.
We must wake up to the reality. You know, no federalism in the world, they run like this. Our own situation must be changed to ensure that there is development in this country. Exactly. I insist that that is the minimum way to go.
Prof, make I just drop this one in. Tomorrow will be December 1st. And from then, we go count down to 31 days to whether this Boko Haram Jaguda badness go end. As Oga Presido been give our soldier people and then talk, say yes, then go work towards them or not. But we don't see, say, their operation. I don't go talk whether I don't they more sophisticated, but somehow, as our army people, they try tidy them for all the parts, then they enter inside. So we don't they get 2 incidents for Kano within 1 week. What do you think of this situation?
Waiting they pay me pass. Now say, every time when we look at this Boko Haram problem, people they look at in terms of violence and brigandage, about shooting and killing. But I believe, say, and I tell you this, I think I'm about the first person who's holding that seriously. My position. The way to kill terror is not shooting.
Exactly.
You don't kill terror shooting.
Are they talking here?
You get what we must do as a people. There is what you call the instrumentality of love. Obama has succeeded in securing America more than Bush did because Obama went talking to the people of the Middle East.
Rather than
even
force.
People say he go to shake hand, they bow down to the king of Saudi Arabia. But the point is, you must secure your people. I believe, say, every time when they talk, say, we go kill, we go shoot Boko Haram, we go kill them, then they change tactics. Now they're not the fit occupy territories now. Then they come inside territories and kill people. You know, so I believe, say, beyond the fact that we must negotiate, we get to talk with these people. We have to begin to build strong pillars of love. Because so many of the things when they cause this Boko Haram problem, now say the people when they recruit, not get work, they not get house, they not get food. Until we begin to address the fundamentals. Now be waiting United Nations Secretary General talked the other day. Say, much as we fight terrorism, we must remember, say, for anybody when they're hungry, when not get house, when not get shelter, the tendency is for him to join the terrorists so that he go fit chop, or if he die, in family go fit survive. You know, so there is a give and take, a quid pro quo. Exactly. Now, what do we must do as a people now to begin to engage the people with love? Those when they internally displaced camp, how much concern have you shown?
Exactly.
How many territories you they rebuild? How many schools have you? Because when we engage our people with love, when leadership decides to show love to the people, you go find out, say, those when they say, oh, I want to go and die because this country not care for me, then go believe, say, Nigeria care for them.
Exactly.
You know, I think that the time has come for us to raise the green, white, green, make issues country first, and when we raise these fundamentals, we'll be able to, we go down sufficiently reduce hate and anger when they make people join terrorists.
You don't finish work on top of this matter. We appreciate the fact, say, even though we extend invitation to you at short notice, you still come here and you don't speak to Nigerians. Our Nigerian people waiting for us, so they talk, say, Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward, because if it's better for Nigeria, it don't better for all of us with that. God will continue to bless Nigeria. Prof, make I shake your hand, because that point when you share last, now me and you,
Prof,
they always share that point.
No mind who they talk, say they
tell them bye-bye. Which one? Why you shake hand for long? Tell them bye-bye now.
Oh, no mind them. See tomorrow, my people. Prof, no, they even listen to
what this is a show, not be beer parlor with you. Which one be all this one now? With the talk is you don't know what's all that now?
Is it your reaction? Not be the reaction.
What do you mean? Is it my reaction? What do you mean? Is it my reaction?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.